Chat, my apologies. The camera does make the sky look like it's brighter than it actually is. But we have 5 atomic warheads and 1 strobe rocket from Mcfireworks. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Chat. The strobe rocket really caught me off guard, and I couldn't get to a real good look at that. So, oh wow. I have to do round 2. Give me a second. Let's go for round 2 on the Mcfireworks strobe rocket. Now we know what to expect. Oh! What they call that, a KATO? A KATO? What was that?